Gashora Girls Academy. This is so exciting. It's our first time back since the community center opening. So we get to see all the buildings, all sort of shells of them framed out. So behind me is the administration block. We have Peter's office, the administration, the library, and the media. Here on the far side there. It's really cool. And then the next building over is the science laboratory. So we have 2 science labs in there where we'll have all sorts of both natural and physical sciences, and really can't wait to see the girls in there having a chance to really dive into their science and get excited about science. The next building's over is the block of classrooms, and moving over that direction, those are all classroom areas, and then moving down towards the dorms.
So this will be a really, I mean, a year from now, will be a nice big green space that really shows what trees can do here in this hottest, driest section as far as transforming the environment. We have an order for a hybrid variety mango that produces in 18 months. So those people can get 250 of those, get them out here.
And these are all local plants.
Guava, yeah, they're all been produced locally. So you can see we put the terraces in. It's in a cover, this is a cover crop of mucuna. We have 9 benches. It's gonna cover a little over 3 hectares. This does a lot of different things. If you look here, there's essentially no weeds on this field right now.
So we build the school, we will be pioneers together. Say Kenya, Rwanda or